Right, so in this one, similar to the last question, we've got your 107 now Christmas trees. They measured their heights, and these are the measurements here. Okay, but you can see lots of trees, right, measuring their heights. And because you've got so many of them, sometimes they put the data into group intervals. So you've got 24 trees in that sort of range of values. Okay, right. So one might have been 196, one might have been 191 and a half. But it would fit in that group. So when it says then estimate for the mean, what we need to do, estimate, because we need to just choose here a sensible value to represent that group. What you do, you go in the middle, okay? You go in the middle of those two, okay, to represent. You've got to go halfway. And halfway there is 194, right? Now I know that, okay, because I can sort of see how the numbers work there, right? But do you know what? Sometimes I'm not sure on these. So what I do is I add up the two extreme values. Okay, and then I divide the answer by 2, and it'll work it out for me. Okay, it comes out 194. So for the next one, I'd add up 198 and 204. Okay, halve it, and I get 201. Okay, do the same on the next one, 208, and then 215 in this one. Now that sort of represents these Christmas trees, right? You've got 24 of them, and their height is basically around there, yeah, in the middle. Okay, so you've got 24 of them. Now what we don't want to be doing is doing 194 plus 194 plus 194 24 times. So what we want to do is multiply them. Okay, so we do 24 times 194 and then with mean you divide by how many are there. Now how many are there is the total of the frequency column. Okay, this total here. Now I don't need to work this out because it says up here, doesn't it, 107. Okay, so then on my calculator, you can do all this in one go if you want. So if you're not feeling so confident about it, let's take our time, right? Because we don't want to lose marks on making a silly mistake typing into our calculator. So I'll work it out step by step just to make sure I'm getting these marks. Let's go for this then. 4656 plus 7035 plus all over 107. And we get 203 point. Should we round to 9, yeah? 203.9 centimeters, and that's to 1 decimal place.